Hello students, in the chapter fractions and decimals, next we are going to learn multiplication of fractions. First, how to multiply a fraction with a whole number. If we have to multiply the proper or improper fraction with the whole number, then we simply multiply the numerator with that whole number and the denominator will remain same. Okay, so whole number and fraction, if we want to multiply, only the numerator and whole number should be multiplied and the denominator should be kept as such. Example we will see. So 2 it's a whole number and 3 by 4 is a fraction. So in order to multiply these two, what you will do, you should multiply 2 and 3. The whole number 2 and the numerator 3 alone we should multiply. So we will get 6 and the denominator 4 should be taken as such. So 6 by 4 will be the answer of this multiplication. Next we will see, if we have to multiply the mixed fraction with the whole number, then first convert it in the form of improper fraction, then multiply as above. Okay, so if you have a mixed fraction, okay, and whole number if you are having, so that mixed fraction should be converted into improper fraction. Then we should multiply as before. Okay, so here we can see the example 2 3 by 5 into 2. Okay, 2 3 by 5 it's a mixed fraction. So we know how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So here the 5 and 2 should be multiplied. So this 2 and 5 should be multiplied and 3 should be added with that. Okay. So 5 twos are 10 and 10 plus 3 will give you 15. So that's why we got this 15 here. Okay. And 15 divided by 5. This 5 as such we should write in the denominator. Okay. So again I will repeat, 5 into 2 we should do and again that should answer 10 should be added with 3. So 13 we will get. So 13 by 5 is the improper fraction of 2 3 by 5. So in order to multiply the mixed fraction and whole number, we converted the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now as before, we should multiply the fraction and whole number. So 13 into 2. Okay, so 13 and 2, the both the numerator. So 13 and 2 if we multiply, we will get 26. Okay, and the same denominator 5 should be taken here. Okay, so next we will move to fraction as an operator of. Okay, of, sometimes the word of will be there, so we'll see with the example. If it is written that find the half of 24. Okay, so if it is written find half of 24, what that half means, then rep half represents the multiplication. Okay, of represents the multiplication. So half of 24 means it should be written as half into 24. Okay, 1 by 2 into 24. So again we know how to multiply a fraction and a whole number. Okay, so 24 by 2 you will get, so 24 divided by 2 is nothing but 12. Okay, so here I have shown you the pictorial form. Okay, so half of 24. Now with the picture you can understand, right? Half is 12 and another half is 12. So that by calculation if we want to find means like this we should find out. So off means it is multiplication. Next, how to multiply a fraction with another fraction. So if we have to multiply the proper or improper fraction with another fraction, then we multiply the numerator of both the fractions and the denominator of both the fractions separately and write them as new fraction. So here I have shown you fraction into fraction means what you should do, in the numerator both the numerators of those fractions should be multiplied and written, and again in the denominator what and all number you're having, that too should be multiplied and written in the denominator. So you can see here AB, that is one fraction, C by D, that is another one fraction. So what you will do, A into C you will do, divided by B into D you will do. Okay, so this is how you should multiply. So with the number, if you want to see, you can see the example 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. Okay, so 2 into 3, that should be in the numerator. 2 into 3 is 6. Then in the denominator, if you see, you have 5 and 4. So 5 fours are, it is 20. So 20 should be written in the denominator. So the answer of this fraction multiplication is 6 by 20. Okay, so this is how we should multiply for the fractions. So I hope you understood. I'll wind up this video. Thank you, children.